Hey, y'all know who it is, man. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter, and I'm checking in for the gang. Hey, let's get into these trades that I took this morning, man. Real light day. And when I mean light day, I mean I only took 2 trades today. I got into the nasty NASDAQ, aka the triple Qs, and we also hit on SPY as well too. A lot of volatility was going on early on the jump. I'm gonna break these trades down with y'all, man. Let's turn to the screen. Let's get to it. First things first, man. Let's talk about SPY. Now, SPY, as y'all can see, man, we got these pre-market lows already established. Got this nice little range right here. So off the gate, man, I was looking at CBS, the news, seeing if there's any catalyst, any type of major news, and I really like this setup as far as from the pre-market range. And I figured, okay, man, we're gonna catch a nice little bounce. If we catch this bounce at 407, which was the pre-market low, we can expect some bullish vibes coming off it, man. And so I was kind of watching that, but I didn't get into any calls with the SPY. I actually waited for the massive pullback on the put, and this is the reason why. I just want to build the play up for y'all. So off the pre-market, we saw that from pre-market it was already pushing downward, and then we bounced off that 407.47 level perfectly, and SPY started to rip, right? So by this time I was actually in a different call play, which was the triple Qs. Once I finished that play, I actually jumped over to SPY, and this is the main reason why I got into SPY SPY for the puts. So let me switch this thing over to the 1 hour. Right, let's break that down. So at 7 o'clock, I noticed this strong candle, a lot of volume coming off that thing, and like I always tell y'all, if we overextended away from that 9 EMA, 21 EMA, you can expect the stock price, that price action to pull back. It's like gravity. It will gravitate back to home, right? So I saw that once I got finished with the triple Qs, and we'll go over that play. So I saw that and I was like, you know what, man, let's run some puts. Let's play this pullback. Let's do it outright. So that was the main reason that I got into it, because I saw this pullback on the hourly. So let's get back to this 5-minute. All right, cool. So as you can see, we all marked up right here. So this is when I entered the play. So we rejected the 413 level. The 413 level is actually some previous highs from yesterday. So we rejected that area twice. And I saw on this candle here that some sellers were stepping in. So I was all right, cool. Let me wait for a perfect setup. We like bull flags, bear flags, and bear flags and pennants on the way down. So I was like, let me wait for my perfect setup. I got my perfect setup, jumped into a 409 put, a little over $1,000 worth, and pretty much just let this thing run its course all the way down. Got out right here on this candle for a nice 35% banger. And that was it. I didn't stay. I kind of watched it, saw the value kind of creep down, even though we did make some lower lows on this trend. But ultimately, what I noticed is that we was creating a a bull triangle as well. So I was like, I didn't want to overstay my welcome. I wanted to get my shillings and get the hell up out of there, because I knew after all this price action moving up, this pullback was necessary, but I knew we had more room to the upside. Now, I could have flipped it, doubled back, ran it up for the calls, but I didn't want to be greedy. I didn't want to oversell my welcome, like I said. So I got out with my 35%, took my shillings, and got the hell on. So that was my SPY put. Could have doubled back for the call, but I didn't. So let's switch it over to the triple Qs. Got into triple Qs. Now I played this one a little bit different. That was my main focus this morning, was playing the Qs for calls. Like I said, I had SPY on my watch list. If you're in the Discord, you saw me break down the watch list. I gave y'all entries and everything. So if you're not in the Discord, links in the bio. Join the gang, baby. Come on over to the BNP Capital, man. We out here getting it. You feel me? Anyways, so again, back that up. Had my pre-market range here. Had my highs in the pre-market. Also got my yesterday highs and lows. Always going to chart those out before the bell starts. We got our lows. A lot of congestion right down here at the low area. So I know 302 was part of our lows. Felt kind of confident. Again, same sentiment as the triple Qs. If we bounce off that 302, I was solely prepared to go ahead and let it run up. We bounced. I jumped in. I bought about 4 or 5 contracts off the rip, a little over $1,000 worth, and I just rolled the wave up. Really textbook open range play, nothing fancy, straight to the point. Got out roughly around this 367 level, and that was for a good 25% banger. Not bad of a day. I called it quits, man. Had some stuff I need to do around the house, get in the gym, and yeah, man, that was my 2 trades for the day, man. So we grossed a little bit over about $600, and I'll take it any day of the week, baby. So that's 2 days. We green. We've been green for the last 3 weeks, baby. So we want to keep the ball rolling, keeping this momentum. We're in a fresh month of June. I'm trying to go green every day. I know that's asking for a lot, but you got to put that pressure on you. You feel me? I want to say that pressure, man. You just got to set that standard. You know what I'm saying? So we taking these base hits. We're not holding the place for 60, 70%. If it presents itself, we'll take it. But we're going to hit these base hits and score these runs, and we're going to try to go green for the whole month of June, baby. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter checking in. I appreciate y'all, man. Love y'all. Peace. I'm out.